Good day everyone. So today's afternoon, we are going to tackle about the definition of data gathering. Data gathering, what does it mean? Data gathering is when you are going or on how to collect a data from your respondents, excuse me. So, data gathering, mao ni siya ang mag-collect sa mga data through or from your respondents. For example, we as a grade 12 students, kay since na namajud mi kanang research and usa pa quantitative ang mga research mong lisod-lisod kay ang quantitative kay mag-talks me about numbers and among way nga pag-collect sa data kay maghimo mi og kanang survey questionnaires which is survey questionnaires kanang it means kanang written na bitaw siya sa paper but since ang amo ang kuan kanang classes sa kanang practical research kay always suspended or kanang through sa kanang disaster karon nga nahitabo no. So amo ang way na lang karon para makakollect mi sa amo ang data sa amo ang research kay naghimo mi og kanang Google form adto mi naghimo og survey questionnaire through online. Mao na lang na ang amo ang way nga magkakollect mi sa amo ang data sa amo ang kanang data through kanang all senior high school students. Kay kan man ang among topic magud kay nasa sa kanang senior high school student which mean labot ang grade 11 and grade 12. Wala siya namo siyang specific, amo siyang general. That's why daghan-daghan jud ang amo ang respondents nga kinahanglan karon. So there's two type of on how to collect a data sa data gathering. Number 1, survey. As I mentioned earlier, ang survey mao ni kanang gigamit on how to collect a data from your respondents. Napoy tay two types of research, qualitative and quantitative So qualitative kay mao ni siya mag-talk about your experiences or kanang ang pag-collect nila sa data kay through interview. And while sa kanang quantitative kay amo ang pamaagi kay maghatag mi og kanang mga paper nila or kanang mag-send mi og link nga form para adto sila maka-fill up para may bawaan namo kung pila ang ratings tanan gani disagree ni agree ana nga kanang pangutan-a. So ay kaduha, experiment. So experiment, what does it mean di ay? So ang experiment day kay mao ni siya ang gipasabot kanang mag-control bitaw sa kanang text sa imong research which is ang researchers kay makapan-manipulate siya. Tas napo na siya gitawag nato kanang control group which is ara na diha magkuan kanang magmanipulate ang kanang mga teksto or ang mga text sa imong research. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Observations. Observation is the process of watching and recording behaviors, events, or conditions as they naturally happen. It is useful when you want real and direct information without relying on self-reports. For example, a teacher observes the behavior of students during group activities, taking note of how often they participate and cooperate. Moving on, let's talk about preliminary interpretation. After gathering data, researchers make sense of it by analyzing and summarizing.
Hey everyone, my name is Miguel Andrade and today I'm reporting. First, organizing data. This means arranging the collected information in a clear and systematic way, such as putting numbers in a tables, creating charts, or grouping similar responses. For example, organizing data. The survey results and students' sleeping hours are put into a table showing frequency: 6 hours, 15 students, 7 hours, 20 students, 8 hours, 10 students, and identifying patterns or trends. This involves looking closely at the organized data to see similarities, differences, or repeated behaviors. It helps researchers notice important relationships or changes. Example: from the table, the researcher noticed the students who sleep at least 7 to 8 hours, then to report higher focus in class. And the last, summarizing findings. This is the step where the researchers briefly explain what the data means. It answers the researcher question in simple terms and highlights the most important result. For example, the researcher concludes that most students who sleep 7 to 8 hours perform better academically, while those who sleep less than 6 hours often feel tired and less focused. Thank you.